Okay Google, avocado time.
Okay, watering the avocados.
Hello everyone, my name is Sosa. I have worked in IoT projects in the last years and I love home automation. In a previous video I showed you how you can create your own smart watering system and control it using Alexa. Today I want to show you how you can achieve the same result using Google Home. And as usual, the components to build this project will cost you less than $10. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to receive more ideas and tutorials about home automation. So let's go. This is what you will need. Pump 12 volts DC, silicone rubber tube, ESP Wi-Fi relay module, DC-DC step-down buck converter, 12 volts DC adapter, water container. First, we will connect the 12 volts adapter to the DC converter so we can get 5 volts at its output. We will connect the ESP Wi-Fi relay module to these 5 volts, and this relay will control the 12 volt input to the water pump. The water pump will suck the water from the water container to the plant. The control will be made by connecting the Wi-Fi relay module to the web service Smartnest.cz. This will allow us to control the system using Alexa, Google Home, Siri, IFTT, your phone, your tablet or your PC. So let's start by connecting the components. The DC converter is marked with in plus and in minus. Make sure you are connecting the 12 volts adapter to this input. Then with a voltmeter you will measure the output of the DC-DC converter and make sure that it shows 5 volts. Then go ahead and download the example code and change the details for your Wi-Fi network, your username and password from Smartnest and the device ID. Connect the 5 volts from the DC-DC converter to the input of the ESP relay module. Then connect the positive cable of the 12 volts to one side of the water pump. Then connect the negative cable of the 12 volt adapter to the middle spot of the relay module. Then connect the relay from the spot marked as NO, or normally open, to the other water pump cable. Put one side of the silicone tube inside the water container and the second one aiming to the plant. Then power up the system and see in your Smartnest web app if it's online. Then press the button turn on and see how the pump starts watering the plant. After this you can go to your Google Home app and in the Add Device section you can activate the Smartnest action. After doing this, you will see the devices from Smartnest in your Google Home app. In the Google Assistant settings, you can set up routines that will be activated when you say a specific phrase or certain day at certain time. In this way, you can program when your plant water will be working. And that is everything for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy the process. Let me know in the comments if you liked the idea, if you found it useful, and what else would you like to know how to automate in your home. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you want to receive more ideas and tutorials about home automation, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on social media. Happy automation. Bye bye.